Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming what rights you need. Synchronization and master use are common for YouTube. Once done, pick a source, royalty-free libraries, Creative Commons tracks with commercial allowance, or paid licensing platforms, and download the license file immediately. Make sure to record purchase receipts, timestamps, and artist credits in a project folder so you can respond quickly to claims. You'll also note any territory or platform restrictions in the license. This prevents surprises when you Now focus on the license terms and technical details. Read duration, territory, platform permissions, and whether monetization is allowed. If a standard license doesn't fit, negotiate usage, exclusivity, or pricing with the rights holder and get amendments in writing. Once agreed, export the exact audio version you'll use, keep stems and edit notes, and embed metadata where possible. Make sure to retain one definitive license file tied to the final render, so claims or monetization disputes are easier to resolve. When uploading, include clear credits and a short license statement in your description, and attach the license file to your project records. If YouTube issues a claim, act fast. Submit the license or proof of permission through the platform's dispute flow and explain why your use is allowed. If the claim persists, you may re-edit or replace the track, or escalate with a formal counter notice only if you're certain of your rights. One key tip: always keep original purchase receipts handy to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.